A new entrant in India's cluttered haircare market, Tresemme needed something different and memorable to compete with bigger, well-established brands, connect with fashion-conscious urban women, and drive home their salon professional credentials. So we gave consumers a unique online experience, bringing them inside a major international fashion show. Using a customized interactive YouTube channel, we gave them virtual backstage access to New York's Fashion Week, allowing them to see themselves in the content and teaching them how to create 9 different on-trend hairstyles along the way. Tresemme Ramp Ready Hair.
Hey, good to see you. Getting your hair ramp ready is going to be so much fun.
A Bollywood actress guided users through the experience, from registering and uploading their own image.
Great. Now if you give me your details and photograph, I'll get your access card ready as well.
Through the show itself,
That was a great show.
to step-by-step instructions from a Tresemme professional stylist on how to create each of the styles at home.
Fasten it with a rubber band and pin it at the back of the head. And there you have it, the gorgeous Athena braid.
And an online album allowed them to store the styles so they could come back and revisit the steps again. The program not only brought to life the brand's professional styling credentials, but was a perfect demonstration of its salon-style hair at home message. Reaching over 7 million unique users in less than 2 months, generating over 3 million video views in 45 days, becoming the #1 Tresemme YouTube channel globally during the campaign, and tripling the message association of salon quality hair.